Hey guys, today I wanted to show you my go-to morning hacks and tips for productivity. Now these hacks are life-changing for sure, so let's get on into it. By the way, if you enjoy these types of videos, give it a thumbs up, and if you don't, give it a thumbs down. And that just kind of shows me how you really feel about certain content. Don't forget to subscribe if you like what you see. Hold up, I just want to give a huge quick thank you to everyone who downloaded the PDF worksheet in my last video. Oh my gosh, my heart was fluttering with love. Thank you so much. I saw them all. I love seeing you guys do them on socials and tagging you and giving you a shout out. And because the feedback was so incredible, I decided to do another one for you. So if you go down below in the description, you will see a free downloadable self-care worksheet for you. You can do virtually on your phone, or you can even print it out. As always, be sure to tag me so that I can give your post lots of love. I want to give a huge shout out to Catherine for watching my videos and texting me. If you'd like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is be sure to text me at this number right here. Once you've done that, comment below hashtag notification squad so that I can view your text right now. It's already time. Oh my gosh, I swear I just closed my eyes. Alright, let's get up. Let me check my phone. I wonder what's going on today. Okay. Oh gosh. This feels like a terrible bad dream. Oh no. If you're waking up with an anxious heart and mind, reverse it all by doing this one little feel-good hack. Right as you open your eyes, give thanks, whether that's to a higher power, the universe, or yourself. Because heck, you are striding yourself out of bed. Now, practicing gratitude could be as simple as acknowledging the things or people who currently make you happy. It's been proven that making gratitude a ritual in your life can improve your psychological health by reducing toxic emotions, ranging from envy and resentment to frustration and regret. Now, if that's not enough, try doing what people like to call a brain dump. Yep, you heard right. Anything and everything that's blocking you in the morning, dump it onto a piece of paper. There's no wrong way of doing this as long as you're being honest with whatever is bothering you. This morning hack can be a useful exercise to help set your tone for the rest of your day. Now, if you click below in the description, you will now find a section for you to do your brain dumps, a cute little worksheet with inspirational quotes to help motivate you throughout your day. If you want to go about your morning feeling relaxed, a fun little shower hack is to get your favorite relaxing scent and spray it directly into the shower. I'm using lavender and chamomile aroma mist, which helps me unwind and relax my body and mind. I also take this time to listen to some uplifting podcasts, including my own little plug. Hashtag Viral teaches you everything you need to know about the business of online video. So here's a list of some of my favorite feel-good podcasts I like to listen to while I shower. Not only is this a good way to stay productive while you're relaxed, but also you can take this time to learn valuable new things for your life. A really great morning routine gadget to have is an air purifier. Now, this is something that I love, and especially right now during all these chaotic times, it makes me feel a little bit more safe. Not only is it great to creating white noise and can help me sleep, but it can also remove humidity in the air. It also removes pet smells because, you know, I love my boy Jupiter, but that boy needs a constant bath. So I really appreciate that. For me personally, it's a great comfort and health hack, and I've even seen improvement in the sense of air quality, making it easier for both Dennis and I to breathe. Look, we all know we ain't drinking enough water, specifically the recommended 8 cups. So here's an incredible hack that I, till this day, still use, and my friend Wenji actually taught it to me. Thank you, Wenji. All you want to do is place your phone under your water bottle. Checking your phone, your IG feed is almost ingrained in us today, and we do it without even noticing. So take that behavior to your advantage. What this will do is every time you reach to look at your phone, you will see your water bottle and bam, remind yourself, hey, I should really drink more water. Now, one of my most life-changing productivity hacks for my mornings has been taking a few minutes before the start of the week to jot down what I'd like to eat. You can see this as a virtual meal planning without having to actually prepare anything. So hey, if you're lazy, you can do this. The idea here is that you have a focus each day as to what you can make and eat. It helps to see what you need or have in your fridge, and ultimately makes you feel more prepared. If you're finding it tough to build a routine and you've been feeling ultra lazy, here's another simple productivity hack that is bound to help you out. Take out a notebook and write out all the things you have to do. Then work backwards. Circle the things that are the most priority. Then add those into your weekly to-dos. If you add times throughout the days to your to-dos, even better, as you will have to be realistic with your time and your tasks. If you've been feeling lack of motivation, create a fun activity that can be your reward. For example, a quick tip when you work from home is to always have something to look forward to. This end reward will force you to work more efficiently and effectively throughout your day as opposed to procrastinating. For example, Dennis and I have been loving to have picnics, and of course right now due to the circumstances we have been staying inside, but it's just as fun, you know. Also, if you're not already subscribed to our vlog channel, go become part of the family. I'll link it down below. Also, comment below some fun recommendations that you have for shows to watch so that I can start watching them. Some other fun rewards I've been looking forward to is having creative time. I've been creating really cute IG pictures along with my friend Type Haley. Be sure to follow me on Instagram for more of that. Now for a speed round of quick health tips. Use visual cues to remind you to wash your hands. This same life hack applies to anything you want in life. If you want to read more, place the book somewhere where you can actually see it. Now here's a quick rundown on how to wash your hands properly. Scrub your hands 5 times on each hand, doing this mastermind motion. Now 5 times each on the hand over the hand, if that makes sense. You can see it right here. 5 times each hand in between your fingers, okay? And don't forget your fingernails. Scrub 5 times each hand and go like this 5 times. Then like this, and you're ready to rinse. For a more in-depth instructional video on how to properly wash your hands, definitely check this video out. It is incredible. I'm going to link it down below. Now, if soap and water are not readily available, use a hand sanitizer that contains at least 60% alcohol. Quick tip number 3, avoid touching unclean surfaces and then touching the nose or rubbing the eyes, such as doorknobs, light switches, dirty sinks. And most importantly, do your part to practice social distancing. We can all be better because of it. Currently, there is a lot of information floating around in regards to staying safe and keeping healthy. Now, I keep seeing this particular tip, and I like to remind you that now more than ever, this is a time to not believe everything you read on the internet. A common myth right now is that applying Neosporin in your nose can prevent COVID-19, which is false, seeing as it's actually a topical antibacterial cream and not antiviral, although it doesn't hurt to utilize it to prevent bacterial infections. For more information on how you can stay safe and better protect others, please refer to the CDC recommendations. I have linked this all down below. Now, here are some healthy immunity building foods: wild blueberries, sauerkraut, garlic. Yep, it's smelly, but honey, it's good for you. Ginger and turmeric, my faves for a nice relaxing tea. Also, a quick tip is to freeze your food to retain nutrition and of course last longer. A quick food hack for a 1-minute smoothie is to blend together wild blueberries, almond milk, 1 frozen banana, and almond butter. Blend it together until you get a nice rich smoothie. Pour it in your favorite jar and ta-da! Delicious, nutritious, quick breakfast idea. Not sure if you can relate, but I've been super lazy this whole week, especially now being stuck at home. Like, seriously, comment below if you've been equally as hungry. If you don't have any at-home weights, here's a quick exercise hack. Take something around you that's heavy, like a book, water bottles, or in my case, a giant jug, and get to it, honey. I'm clearly and honestly not the biggest fitness gal, but I always find that the more movement I have in my day, the more productive I am, and it actually helps me feel more tired at the end of the day, which makes it easier for me to fall asleep, which is always a bonus. If you're feeling like your productive mind won't turn off at night, here's a quick hack to help you fall asleep faster. Before heading to bed, say a small prayer or meditation. This can be a moment to yourself to give thanks for everything you've done today and acknowledge that, or it could be a moment to simply just be still with yourself. Click the video right here for life hacks on how to reduce anxiety and stress in case you missed it. Now, a well-rested body is a happy, healthy human being. So if you're having trouble shutting off, trust me, I know. I love scrolling through TikTok late at night, you guys. I know you gotta add me on TikTok. Give yourself a social media curfew. Not the funnest, but literally you have to designate a time at night. For me, for example, it's 9 p.m. to stop using socials. This not only helps calm my mind, but it's also proven that not getting phone's blue lights at night allows you to have a more restful sleep. So turn off your socials, okay? Thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video and comment below which of these hacks was your favorite. Join the family for free by clicking the subscribe button and also turning on post notifications by clicking on that little bell. I love you guys, and if you want little doses of me that you don't already get on here, you can always check out my Instagram or my vlog channel. Yes, I do have a vlog channel. It's quite fun over there. If you're bored right now, check out this video or this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!